Hey guys, this is Josh with MLC CAD Systems, and today we're going to review using the customer portal to download SOLIDWORKS. To get to the customer portal, we're going to start at the SOLIDWORKS website, solidworks.com. Click on the user icon at the top right of the screen, which shows a list of user sites. We'll then click on SW Customer Portal to access the customer portal. Once in the portal, clicking on the Downloads and Updates link will bring you to the download page. Use the Select Version drop-down to select the version of SOLIDWORKS you'd like to download. SP2 was just released, so I'm going to click on the link corresponding to it. Make sure to read the End User License Agreement and click on the Accept Agreement and Continue button. If the download doesn't start immediately, select the download link at the center of the download page. You'll be prompted to save the self-extracting zip file containing all of the files you'll need to run the SOLIDWORKS Installation Manager. Opening the file will prompt you to select a location to unzip the installation files to. The Installation Manager should start automatically. However, if it doesn't, click on the setup.exe file included in the unzip files. With the Installation Manager running, you're presented with a few options. You're able to start an individual installation on the current computer, create an administrative image, install a server product like PDM or SOLIDWORKS Electrical, or download all of the SOLIDWORKS installation files. For IT or CAD managers, it's always a good idea to keep a full set of installation files for the version of SOLIDWORKS you're currently using. This will save a boatload of time when deploying SOLIDWORKS to a new user or computer. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to your local MLC technical rep or email us at solidworksupport@mlc-cad.com. Thank you.